Well, it's day 3 of our trot lining adventure. I'm not too optimistic about today. We haven't done really well the last 2 days. We've only got about 20 pounds worth of meat. Normally we can catch like 30 or 40 pounds worth of meat in a night, but just hasn't been too well the last few days. Anyways, I guess that's why it's called trot lining. You never know what's on the next hook. Here's something. It's a little bitty one.
They throw him back, get that hook out of him without hurting him. Might try to take him back to the pond, I don't know.
Alright. I got the line. Still something, and I'm not sure if it's a log way off or what it is.
Swirl there.
Okay. I'll say it must be a pretty decent one because it gave a hell of a pull. Oh man.
Hold it.
Get him in. That was a good one.
Yeah.
That's one of the best channel cat I've caught. At least one that wouldn't.
Hold it. I still hold it. Okay. Alright. You know, I'm just gonna roll him out.
I know he felt like a log whenever it first pulled. I was like, man, feels like this thing's stuck on a log. And then I saw the line run. I was like, well, it may be a catfish, and it may just be my imagination because I ain't felt a good one in a while. Here's one. Okay.
Yeah. The doctors do them too.
Here's another one. He's going to end up getting fin in me. Said he's going to end up getting fin in me. Like that. What did we get? 5 keepers and one you're gonna
Yep.
put in the pond?